Welcome to JSJoshua YouTube channel and Facebook page. Hi, I am Joshua. I am an Amway direct distributor, helping people to live an optimum healthy lifestyle. Today in this JSJoshua video, we are going to talk about the importance of protein in our life. First of all, let us look at what is protein. Protein is one of the three major nutrients, along with carbohydrates and fat in our diets. Proteins are made up of amino acids. Think of them as building blocks that can be broken down and reassembled in different ways. Protein is found throughout the body, and it is a major structural component of all cells. Skin, hair, nails, bone, muscle, and virtually every other body part or tissue. It is a part of every cell in your body. Tissue building is the primary function of protein. It is the necessary raw material from which your body makes the enzymes that power many chemical reactions, and the hemoglobin that carries oxygen in your blood and is critical for functioning from digestion to reproduction. It is necessary for the production of neurotransmitters, which affect your mind and mood. Protein is also one of the base materials needed in the immune system. The human body contains more than 100,000 different proteins, which make you what you are and keep you that way. Our body cannot make protein. It must be consumed every day in sufficient quantities to replace daily loss. Without protein, there is no life. The facts about protein is that protein is the second most abundant substance in the body. It makes up about 15–20% of our body weight. What is protein made up of? Protein is made from 20+ basic building blocks called amino acids. When the protein we eat is digested, it is broken down into individual amino acids. These amino acids are then reformed into new protein for the body's use. Because we don't store amino acids, our bodies make them in two different ways, either from scratch or by modifying others. There are two types of amino acids. 1. Essential amino acids. 2. Non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids. Essential amino acids are amino acids that the human body cannot synthesize. Therefore, they have to be derived from the diet. There are 9 types of essential amino acids. 1. Isoleucine. 2. Leucine. 3. Lysine. 4. Methionine. 5. Phenylalanine. 6. Threonine. 7. Tryptophan. 8. Valine. 9. Histidine. Non-essential amino acids. Non-essential amino acids can be produced in the body as long as the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen from fats or carbohydrates, and nitrogen components can be derived from the diet. There are 13 types of non-essential amino acids: alanine, asparagine, arginine, aspartic acid, cysteine, glutamine, glycine, glutamic acid, hydroxyproline, proline, serine, tyrosine. Warning signs when a person is not getting enough protein: falling hair and brittle nails. When a person is not getting enough protein, his body goes into conservation mode. Thus, it stops spending valuable protein on the production of hair and nails. Tiredness and fatigue, feeling less energetic, sleeping too much and generally feeling heavy, feeling tired and feeling fatigue are all signs that indicate you are lack of protein and may need to boost your levels of protein. Sagging and wrinkled skin. Our skin needs amino acids to generate the structural protein called collagen. Without eating protein, there's no way we can produce collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our body, which made up of about 1/3 of our body's protein composition. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our body, and one of the major building blocks of bones, skin, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Collagen is also found in hair, bones, tendons, ligaments, eyes, teeth, and organs, and gives our skin and joints strength and elasticity. It also holds all of our cells and tissues together, and ensures the integrity, elasticity, and regeneration of skin, cartilage, and bones. It represents almost 30% of all human protein content. Without it, we'd literally fall apart. Flabby muscles. If the body does not have a sufficient supply of protein, it cannot properly build and maintain muscle tissue. Middle-aged men may experience sarcopenia, a natural loss of muscle mass due to aging, and they may lose even more muscle if they're not getting enough protein in their daily diets. Additionally, protein is stored in the muscles and will be used by the body in case of deficiency. Slow recovery from injuries. When you're injured and suffering from protein deficiency, your body will take longer to heal and recover. Poor immunity. Protein is key to a strong immune system. It's the foundation of red blood cells, white blood cells, and antibodies, all of which work together to protect your body against bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Your immune cells are made from proteins. So, diet's lack of protein will suffer a domino effect. Your overall immunity may suffer, which could take the form of getting sick regularly or taking longer to recover. Retarded growth. Be careful to not allow protein deficiency to become severe, as the effects can be drastic. In extreme cases of protein deficiency, growth may be halted, particularly in children, and can cause drastic fluid retention, mental disorders, and skin rashes. Low blood pressure and low heart rate. When you have a protein deficiency, your body's blood proteins, thus your blood's thickness and stickiness, and blood pressure plummet. Thus impacts a myriad of other functions in your body since nutrients aren't getting to vital tissues. If your body fat percentage is too low, or you're not getting enough protein, you can suffer something called bradycardia or slow heart rate. If you wear a tracker and notice your heart rate's dropped anywhere below the normal 60 to 100 beats per minute, as the result, you could feel short of breath, lightheaded, and possible even faint as a result. What are the sources of protein? Protein can be found in meat, fish, egg, poultry, and dairy products, all of which are complete protein sources that provide all essential amino acids. Protein also can be found in vegetables, legumes, and grains which are classified as incomplete proteins which do not contain all the essential amino acids. We can get protein from animal sources and plant sources. Animal-based protein is generally associated with high fat content. High intake of this type of protein increases total blood cholesterol, LDL, low-density lipoproteins cholesterol, the chances of obesity, and the risks of atherosclerosis and coronary heart disease. Plant protein sources are also good sources of dietary fiber and are generally low in fat content, particularly saturated fats. Many studies report that plant proteins are associated with low blood cholesterol and the low risk of the diseases mentioned above. That's it for this video. We tend to hope you learned a few tips through this JSJoshua YouTube channel and Facebook page video. May God bless you with good health, prosperity, wealth, and great success all the days of your life. Take care. Do remember to give a thumbs up and subscribe to JSJoshua YouTube channel. And also do like and follow JSJoshua Facebook page for future updates. Thanks for watching.
That's all for today. Always remember this. You are born to win, engineer for success, destined to be somebody great in life. All things are possible in life. You are born to be a winner. May God bless you with great success, wealth, health, and prosperity all the days of your life. Remember to subscribe, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks for watching.